G'day mates, welcome to my vlog. I'm Edward, your friendly TESOL student here at University of Sydney. This week is our final week of class, so I think it's the perfect time to show you what uni life really feels like. Now, grab your backpack and let's hit the road. I like walking to campus, not just because it's pretty close, but because the walk is actually chill and the view is too good to rush. There are always little surprises on the way, like lots of interesting restaurants and adorable animal friends. Hello! A popular cat from one of the nearby houses is always out there sunbathing, looking super relaxed and making everyone stop for a moment to look at it. Just follow the road and we will be on campus soon. As a TESOL student, most of our classes are lectures and tutorials. Now I can't wait to show you what they are like. First thing first, let's start with today's lecture. We're having teacher professional development for EFL with Professor Shen, so come along.
I'm sure that you spent time already in your group presentation and talking about different aspects of paramedics in terms of research and also in terms of the actually defining the elements of the paramedics.
Unlike classes back home, a lecture here is usually followed by a tutorial where we keep discussing the ideas from the lesson, but we've got a few hours before that starts, so how about I take you to Fisher Library and show you the study vibe there. Now we're inside Fisher Library. Studying Fisher always feels motivating. When you're surrounded by people working quietly, it's so much easier to stay focused. Walking through these shelves always puts me in the right mindset, and finding a quiet spot to walk just feels comforting. This is where most of my reading, planning, and assignments actually get done. Oh, if you don't mind, let me pretend to be productive for a minute. Alright, time's up. Let's head over to the education building for our tutorial. We'll take a lot of classes in this building, so feel free to make yourself at home. In tutorials, we usually go over the lecture, do some group work, and sometimes give short presentations. The main thing in tutorials is to take part and share your ideas. No need to worry about being right or wrong. Okay, let's jump into the tutorial. Dr. Gao is showing us his method for engaging the audience.
I'll just show you, after you collect all the information you want to get out of the room, right? So when you click on the room, I'll take you to a Google form to answer the questions. Are you ready to hear that?
And that's my day. On my way home, I like taking a moment to think about what I've learned and how much I'm growing. Studying TESOL at Usyd can feel challenging sometimes, but it's also really rewarding. If you're new to Usyd, just take things step by step and enjoy your time here. Go explore, meet people, and make some great memories. Uni life goes by fast, so make the most of it. Thanks for spending the day with me. See you next time.